Hello, my name is Wai Lok Samuel from the Chinese University of Hong Kong, and I will be giving a short presentation and demo about my final year project. The topic is the mobile application that analyzes poker and psychometric psychology through AI and human interactions. So what is this mobile application? This mobile application is called the dealer, which mainly separates into two main sections, the online and offline platform. The online platform is to help users be able to play different games with minimal equipment and deal and record all transactions between the users. The offline platform is where the application can help analyze their users through playing against an AI bot. The bot will be able to give a rough estimation on two different psychometric tests and the user's poker ability. Now let's look deeper into the online platform. It operates as the main interface of the application. It consists of three main databases for the user to use. The first is the learning section, where users will be able to learn about different games. The second is the account system, which includes all each individual's information about their profile, friend list, etc. The last and most important is the lobby system, which allows multiple users to join a lobby and play together. The two game modes that are provided is Mahjong and Poker, which goes from 2 to 4 players. After the game is over, the application will be able to calculate the payments needed between the players as well as record transactions, which can be done through P2P payments outside the application. With the offline application, the main function is the AI poker. So the way this AI poker operates is through two calculations. The first calculation is the effective hand straights, which calculate all the possible combination of the opponent's hand and the cards on the board. Adding all these together, it will give us a close estimation on how strong the bot's hand is and can act accordingly. The weighting system helps calculate and record the opponent's habit and playstyle. It does this by calculating the average win percentage of the action the opponent uses. By combining both these calculations, the AI bot will be able to adapt and play a competitive match against the users, while also retrieving important information and data for further analysis. An additional offline function that is also included is the card image recognition, which can help new players learn and record gameplay for analysis as well. After the game has ended between the AI bot and the users, there will be two analyses. The poker analysis will focus on the playstyle of the users and show the amount of correct plays according to the hands of both the users and the AI. The two psychometric tests that are analyzed is the numerical reasoning and situation judgment tests. The numerical reasoning is like a simple math test that includes ratios and probability and is often used in banks and finance corporations. The calculation for this will be based on how the user reacts according to the effective hand strength and not about the result of the action. On the other hand, the situational judgment test is to see how a person reacts when put in a tough situation and is often used for people in the medical and police force. To calculate this, whenever the user is put against a race by an AI bot, it will record how fast the user makes an action and the result of the action. Both these judgment tests are just rough estimations due to the limited information a poker game can give. Now let's look at the demo. First, we will show the user interface and the online platform. User will need to create an account to enter into the application. As shown, the first section is the learning database, which can teach users about different games such as poker, mahjong, and Uno. The second section is the lobby. By creating a lobby and by entering the correct information, multiple users can join into a lobby to start a game from a range of 2 to 4 players. The final section is accounts, where all the transactions will be recorded for a user to see. Next, we will look at the poker game interface. Here we show 3 phone emulators playing against one another. Each user can make the 4 actions to call, check, raise, and fold easily, as well as help provide the calculation of the pot and transaction. On the other hand, Mahjong interface is much simpler as it only deals one transaction in each round. When each user selects the same winner, the transactions will be made and the game will continue. Now we look at the offline platform of the AI bot. We can see a user play against the AI where it takes time for AI to calculate the next action. Whenever either player runs out of money or ending the game, it will show the psychometric results, including a brief explanation. Next, it will show the poker action, the amount of correct plays, and finally it will show the poker strategy analysis for the player to improve. In conclusion, this mobile application, the dealer, has been completed with an online-offline platform including poker and psychometric analysis, and this application can bring something to the table for all its users. Thank you for listening.